Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reply in the Rajya Sabha today on the motion of thanks for President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar today said that the safety and security and welfare of Indian students studying outside the country are the priority of the government. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has emphasized that the entire North-East is now on the path of development under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Home Minister Amit Shah said that the policies of the Narendra Modi government has transformed Tripura from a landlocked state to a land-linked state. Janjatiya Yuva Kumbh is being organized under the Janjati Sankritik Samagam 2025 at Mahakumbh, Prayagraj today.